Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to lock in an item before it's even released, there is an option called pre-order on Amazon or Amazon Shopping. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you all how to pre-order an item in Amazon or Amazon Shopping in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way to basically look for Amazon on your favorite browser. So we're gonna go and look for Amazon.com since I'm using desktop for today. Tap on this link, then go all the way and use your email address and password to log in to your account. So, as for now, make sure the item says pre-order instead of buy now. For example, you want an item. Okay, I don't know if I can find anything else. So I'm gonna go for all, look for some electronics, your account, electronics here, accessories and supplies, computer and accessories. So we're gonna go for this one, for example. Look if we can see any pre-order. Okay. Pre-order, for example. So let's go just tap pre-order here if we can see anything. The library, the X. Okay, so for example, you are looking for something. All you're gonna do is tap on pre-order instead of add to cart or buy now. So for example, we have this game, we're gonna tap on it. The pre-order item will be here instead of buy now. So just go ahead and tap on it. Then tap pre-order again. Choose your payment method and delivery address and confirm the order. As for some chips, Amazon doesn't charge you until the item is actually basically shipped. You can cancel the pre-order anytime before the release. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.